Today we are checking out the EarFun's latest mid-range ANC earbuds with really good specs and EarFun app support. But before that, Thiago here. Welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, let me tell you, we do unboxings and tech reviews like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button. With this said, let's move on with the price. The price tag for the UK is £59.99, and if you use our discount code, it will go down to £44.99. A great price in my opinion. For the US, the price tag is $69.99, and if you use the discount code, it will go down to $52.49. Like always, I will leave links on the video description. Please check them out for best price and product information. The case of the Air S is not the most exciting one. It's a standard clamshell design in the shiny matte black plastic. From my experience, it will get full of scratches over time. But anyway, let's move on. At the top of the case, you have the EarFun logo. At the back, the Type-C charging port. At the front, the charging indicator that works as a power indicator as well. It's not all boring about this case, because this case is wireless charging case. So, you just pop this into any Qi wireless charger and it will charge it up. The lid opening is very nice and smooth, with a clutch at the end of the stroke to hold the lid up. Inside, the earbuds sit on a standard fashion, but this time are designed with a more traditional stem style design, and not so much edgy style like the Air Pro. So, you will get a simple pair of earbuds with a short stem, with the EarFun branding in the front in a nice gunmetal grey color. The ear tips are the same of the AirPods Pro style design. There is no in-ear sensors. The battery life on the Air S is pretty normal. With the ANC on, you will get about 5 hours and 20 additional hours with the case. If you have ANC off, you're gonna get 6 hours and 24 additional hours with the case. You can charge earbuds quite quickly, in about 1 hour, and the case in 2 hours. Charging the earbuds with a wireless charging will take you around 3.5 hours to fully charge. Quick charging is also included, with 10 minutes of charge giving you about 2 hours of use without ANC on. The Air S comes with a very good specs at this price point. You're going to get the Qualcomm's QCC3046 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2, with support for the whole range of Qualcomm's codec from aptX Adaptive and aptX. You also get AAC and SBC audio codecs. The Air S also have a nice IPX5 water resistant rating, so no problems on using them on your runs, gym, and also when it's raining outside. They come with the true wireless mirroring technology, so you can use either side of the earbuds independently. They support also 2 devices multi-point connection, so you can easily swap between devices that you mostly use. They come also with support for the EarFun audio app. The ANC on these earbuds is okay, but doesn't do a too good job with some frequencies. But overall, they still perform pretty well. The road test didn't impress me, as it does still let quite a lot of road noise through. People talking is also pretty audible, but with music playing on the loud space, they perform well. The EarFun audio app is really nice and intuitive to use. On the front page, you are going to have almost everything you need. At the top, the battery. Next, a nice picture of your earbuds. Below that, your ANC control, noise cancellation, ambient mode, and normal mode. Next is the gaming mode. And at the bottom, an equalizer, a simple 3-band equalizer. On the top right button, it will give you some additional controls and tutorials, like the option to customize some of the controls. Very easy to use. And you can also update your firmware using the over-the-air option. Very easy. Overall, this app is absolutely perfect and very easy to use. The sound quality of the Air S is quite impressive, and this is no news because it has been like that on previous earbuds. With the possibility of tuning the V-shape signature on the app, these earbuds will stand out. They sound really good. The bass on these earbuds is also good, not so deep, but has a nice low hum to it, giving you a sufficient thump. The vocals are pretty good as well. When playing loud music, they don't distort, having all the frequencies aligned with the volume. Next is the call quality test, inside and outside, with the EarFun Air S. Right guys, so this is the sound of the EarFun Air S inside of the house. So if you're gonna get a phone call, this is how they'll sound. We're gonna carry on with the review. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound inside of the house. Right guys, so this is the sound outside with the EarFun Air S. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. It's a little bit windy, not that much. So let me know if you can hear the wind. Let's go back and continue the review inside. The latency is surprisingly good with gaming mode. With gaming mode, it feels fast and very minor lag is noticeable. Watching movies on Netflix, on YouTube is not a problem with no lag. They are not the cheapest earbuds, but they are not the most expensive as well. But for the sound quality, the ANC, the multi-point support, I can easily say that I will recommend these earbuds to everyone. If I wanted to say something less positive, I will talk about the boring case. But that's it, nothing else. The Air S are a great pair of earbuds. And that's it guys, this was our review on the EarFun Air S. I hope you guys find any value on this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share with all your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.